How to make Lotus S'more cookies. You will need 2/3 cup butter whipped. Next, the light and dark brown sugars and whip until it is fluffy. Add 1 egg and a dash of vanilla and mix. Set aside. In a separate bowl, add your cake flour and plain flour, half teaspoon baking soda, a little bit of salt. In batches, add your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients and mix. Add 1.5 tablespoons of dark cocoa and cinnamon if you like. Mix with a spatula using this crosshatch method. Add a handful of nuts, a 1/4 cup chocolate chips, and mix. Make into a ball, add saran wrap, refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to make our cookies. Generous spoonful of cookie dough, roll into a ball, and then flatten into a disc. Place a marshmallow inside and wrap like a dumpling. You shouldn't be able to see the marshmallow at all. Set your oven to 175 degrees and bake for 12 minutes. Get your Lotus biscuits ready. Place the Lotus cookie on top immediately and serve while warm.